In this video, I'll show you how to summarize articles with Claude AI step by step. This is a quick way to understand long articles without reading the entire text. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main chat screen. Next, I'll open the article that I want to summarize in another browser tab. Once the article is open, I'll highlight the text I want Claude to summarize. After selecting the text, I'll copy it by pressing Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. Now I'll go back to Claude AI and click inside the message box at the bottom of the screen. I'll paste the article text into the chat by pressing Ctrl+V or Command+V. Once the article is pasted, I'll type a prompt such as, "Please summarize this article and highlight the main points." Then I'll click the send button to submit the request. Claude will analyze the article text and generate a clear summary of the key ideas, helping me quickly understand the content. If I want, I can also ask Claude to create bullet points, provide a shorter summary, or explain certain parts of the article in simpler terms. And that's it. I have successfully summarized an article using Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.